Kalinga is described in which part of the Mahabharata in Banaparva? According to the Mahabharata, the capital city of ancient Kalinga was Dantapur. Who was the first historian to take up excavation at Sisupalgarh? Was Brajavasi Lal. The first historical site of Odisha, Sisupalgarh, was excavated by Brajavasi Lal in the year 1949. Odisha is believed to have derived its name from Odra. Which historical names of Odisha are mentioned in Kalidasa's Raghuvansham was Kalinga and Utkala. The original culture of Odisha was tribal. According to some historians, most of the tribals of Odisha belong to the Proto-Australoid group. Which part of the Mahabharata mentions Kalinga as a long where river Baitarani flowed as Banaparva? Next is, it is said that the ancient capital of Kalinga was Dantapur. Which ancient works describes Odras as an ancient people as Manu Samhita? Alberuni in his account 11th century AD mentions Odisha as Urda Visayu. The ancient Trikalinga was geographically confined to the west. Okay, तापर next देखिबा the familiar historical nomenclature of Odisha is found in Ramayana and Mahabharata. Ramayana और महाभारत रे history ओडिशा history आमेको देखिया को मिले. The paintings of the natural rocks of the Gudahandi hills in modern Kalahandi districts belongs to Paleolithic age. In which district Odisha microlithic sites found? Mayurbhanj, Dhenkanal and Balangir. Which of the tools were mostly used in Neolithic period in Odisha? In axe blades, chisels, stone picks. Neolithic pottery is reported at Vaidipur, which is located in the modern district of Mayurbhanj. In Kalinga under Ashoka, Somopa कहा जाए एबेकार गंजाम को. During which age agriculture and domestic of animals were first taken of Neolithic age. The knowledge of metal shells used in Odisha during prehistoric time are believed to have been influenced by Central Asia. The political history of Odisha began rolling during the rule of Nanda. Who is the founder of Nanda dynasty? As Mahapadmananda. Mahapadmananda होचंदी founder Nanda dynasty. The capital city of ancient Kosala is believed to have been Sripur. The ancient Kalinga had become prosperous by her overseas trade in Southeast Asian countries. Sramanasa in ancient history is referred to Buddhist monks. The colossal nature of the Great Kalinga War has been described by Ashoka in his Rock Edict X III. The capital city of Ashoka's Kalinga was Tosali. Next देखिए the coastal belt from the Midnapur district to the river Mahanadi was given the name of Ucha by Huan Sang. Who was the Buddhist monk brought the tooth relics of Buddha to Kalinga? As Khema Thera. Next देखिए who was the Kalinga king to whom the monk presented the tooth relics of Buddha? Was Brahmadatta. Then the Great Kalinga War was fought in 261 BC, where Ashokan edicts have been found in Dhauli and Jaugada. तापर नेक्स्ट देखिबा 33 who took away the image of Jina from Kalinga was Mahapadmananda. Ashoka's invasion of Kalinga was mentioned in Rock Edict XII. What was the capital city of Ashokan Kalinga? Was Tosali. To the world's roll call of heroes, if India has contributed the first name, the name of Ashoka, it has been written with the blood of the people of Kalinga. Which historian said this? Was A.C. Mittal. Next देखिए Ashoka's inscription in the eastern part of the India were scribed in Brahmi script. In Odisha, the worship of Shiva has been introduced by which dynasties? By Sailo Vedavasa. Odisha had Brahminical Buddhism and Jainism before the Ashokan in which edict? In Rock Edict X III. Then the name by which Ashoka is in generally referred to in his inscriptions in Priyadarshi. Most of the Ashokan inscriptions are in Prakriti language because it was understood by a majority of people. After how many of his rule the great Ashoka left for heavenly abode? After 40 years. The dated history of Odisha begins from the Kalinga War. Ashoka invaded Kalinga in the year 261 BCE. The Kalinga War has been mentioned in Ashoka's 13th rock edict. तापर नेक्स्ट देखिबा हु एक्सकेवेटेड रत्नगिरी रत्नगिरी एक्सकेवेटेड करथिले देवलाल मित्र. द हाथी गुंफा inscription contains the first 13 years of Kharavela's reign. The हाथी गुंफा inscription engraved by Kharavela. हाथी गुंफा inscription of Emperor Kharavela was engraved in which hills? In Langudi hills. Then last, Kharavela the Great belongs to which dynasty? Belongs to Chedi dynasty.